What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing some more prep paint stuff for the 240. We're going to be starting off with the hood and getting that all sanded down and primered, and then we'll go from there. Another thing we have to do is take the spoiler off of the trunk. I was gonna be lazy and just leave it on and try to paint it with it on, but I seen the space between the end of the spoiler and the trunk itself, and it's pretty small, so I don't know how good the paint is gonna get into those crevices. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off.
You're gonna have to pry it off.
Thank you. That's some really good sticky tape. It's been here for like 30 years. So this is the paint right here. Ugh. Ready? Oh good, it comes with cups, because they were all out of stock when I went to Harbor Freight. Oh, and stirring sticks. So I'm pretty sure like I know all this is. Pretty sure this is the clear, yeah?
Yep.
So this is the clear. We went with the little bit more expensive. It was like $45 more, but it was free shipping when you upgrade because it needs to be over 400. So we got that. These are just all the reducers, activators, and things like that.
Shake it up.
How do I open it?
You take off that ring, put it on the ground.
Like this?
Yeah. Just pop it up. Up, no, up, not down.
Like this?
No, don't pop it like that.
Oh my.
Now you can't seal it.
Really?
You're not listening to me. I said you can put it the other way around.
Oh.
Jeez, lady.
I kind of think I really like it. Well, this is different than the color that I thought it was going to be, but I like it.
No, it's because it's not mixed.
Oh, yes. This is the color I want.
Okay, it's good. So it is a single coat. So technically you could probably spray this on your own. But you see how the pearl bunches up when it runs?
Like that?
When it comes dark like that.
I don't like that.
So if you run it, it's gonna look like that. You see how the pearl just bunches up? Mm-hmm. You need to just keep stirring it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, this looks so good. So this is the color that we're gonna go. It's, I was gonna say it's probably hard to tell on camera, but it's gonna be black and white. So this is the color that we're gonna go. It has a lot of pearl in it, and I'm super excited for this. I think it's gonna be exactly how I want it to be. This looks a little bit hard to paint though, so I think Blaine's gonna do all the painting for this. So it's been a minute since I checked in. Let me show you guys what I have done. I did the trunk, the wing, the hood, and also the passenger fender. I didn't spray a really heavy coat of primer on anything because I only have one can of primer left. So I didn't want to run out of primer before I get to the doors. Hopefully I'll have enough at the end of everything to do another layer of primer, because we don't really want to run to, because we can't really go to the store right now, or we're not supposed to. So I'm trying to not go if possible. So all that I really have left now to do is the doors and also the rear passenger fender, and I think we're good to go. I also went ahead and laid down some fiberglass right here between the door and the side skirt. So I just went ahead and tried to fill that up, and then in the morning I'll double check it and then put some Bondo over it. So right now the plan is we're gonna do the door jambs first, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the kit plus the wing. Then we'll probably go ahead and put the car in jack stands and just paint everything else all at one time. So that's pretty much where we're at right now. We've made a pretty good amount of progress today, but we'll come back tomorrow and just finish everything up. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. If you guys wanna go pick up some merch, head to the description down below. There's gonna be a link to the website. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.